This is my old iPad 2 running iOS 9. Recently, someone online posted on one of my videos, they said that for some reason YouTube isn't working anymore for Chrome or was it Edge browser? I'm not seeing that error. If I go to YouTube, obviously it's not going to work. It's going to give me that error that I should update. It's really slow now. It's giving me error loading, tap to retry, but it doesn't do anything. I need to update to the latest YouTube. But if I use Safari, it's able to load up YouTube. Now, depending on how you go to YouTube, it may force you to go back to the app, which is not good. And so try, https www.youtube.com or m.youtube.com. You see, YouTube appears to be working for me. And this is the Safari. So I'm watching good old Talking Tom. Let me go kill this. Netflix still works, which is pretty good. I've been using it as a Netflix viewer. Let me try Chrome. I did power off and power it on just to make sure nothing weird would happen. And YouTube seems to be still working. Let's see over here. I got YouTube. And again, I'm watching a preview of Turning Red. First the ad, and in 4 seconds. See? So, I think you can still use YouTube. And even Firefox. I thought Firefox wasn't working. Gonna make a final comment. I'm still impressed that this iPad 2 from 2011 still works with Netflix. Even though Netflix is having issues with its, number of users or whatever, and the stock went down. That's besides the point. So the worst performance for me was using Firefox. It's slow to load. You can see. So what's surprising is the battery life on this is pretty darn good, still after 10 years. And also, Netflix still runs, as well as YouTube. The YouTube Kids will work, I'm pretty sure. I'm not going to test that right now. Well, right here, I might as well just try it. So, I have some more modern tablets, like this is my Fire HD 10 tablet, and I have an A7 Samsung. But for now, I'm gonna actually stop using it. You can see. Let's see if a video loads up. My kid likes watching My Little Pony. Surprisingly, YouTube Kids works, but YouTube doesn't work. So finally, the last thing that's pretty amazing is Netflix still works. I have some apps over here. So that's the amazing thing. And it runs pretty decently. So obviously who's developing Netflix app, they're doing a great job because it's totally backwards compatible. You can see I have a lot of K-drama on here. Been recently trying to watch iZombie, and you'll see it loads up in a few seconds and it's just fine. And so this is how you, in my opinion, develop an app. You make sure it's backwards compatible and it runs fast even on old 10-year-old tablets. So that's my short video about my iPad 2, and so I'm gonna actually start using it more to watch videos and compare the battery life with these newer tablets, just for the heck of it, because I can.